Imagine creating professional tutorial without a studio? In this video, you will learn to create a video using the HeyGen platform, using the over-the-shoulder narrator style. It feels like the viewer is right there in the studio with you. The first thing I'm going to do is select an avatar. See my previous videos to see how to create your own avatar from a profile picture. Simply click on the Add Motion button, and I'm using a custom prompt. You can grab my free custom prompt in the description link of this video and simply enter it into ChatGPT like I am doing here. I'm asking ChatGPT to create an expert prompt, act as an expert prompt engineer, and create a prompt to give my avatar the appearance of being in a professional podcasting studio, wearing headphones and speaking into an overhead boom microphone. I want the shots to face the audience and the gaze to return back to the microphone. Amazing. This is perfect. And here's another key: by switching angles and transitions every 5 to 8 seconds, you avoid the dreaded attention drop-off. Our brains crave novelty. Each time the scene changes, even slightly, the viewer resets their focus. They stay locked in from start to finish. So once you have that prompt, you'll simply copy it from your GPT, select custom prompt, paste it in here, and then hit generate looks. Now, since I've already done that, we're going to go with this particular model. Perfect. Next, you will select create with AI Studio. Nice. Next, you will copy and paste in your script. When you're creating engaging scripts, the key is to hook your audience within the first few seconds with a bold statement, question, or surprising fact. Use clear, conversational language and break your script into short, punchy segments so it flows naturally. To maximize audience retention, introduce small pattern interrupts like changing visuals, adding humor, or shifting camera angles every 5 to 8 seconds. Now, the other good thing about this particular model is that you can change your voice models in here, and what I've already done is integrated my actual voice from ElevenLabs. So instead of the default voice, it will actually sound exactly like me. Perfect, so we'll give it a moment to generate. While it's processing, we will change the image to that of a over-the-shoulder narrator. Now, I will select avatar at the top, change it to the infinity symbol. Next, go over to framing and select circle, and then we're going to shrink this down to about 350 pixels. Awesome, this is an effective presentation style. We're going to put it just off center in the corner here. Next step, in this section, you want to add your B-roll. Effective B-roll in over-the-shoulder videos isn't just filler. It's how you show the process step by step so viewers can follow along without confusion. First, let's add some captions. Perfect. Remember, each cut of B-roll should match exactly what's being explained. For the B-roll footage, click the media at the top, upload to the right, and select your video clip step-by-step demonstration. Best practice, use a cursor tool to highlight the buttons you click, making it easy to follow movement around the screen. By aligning the narration with these clear sequential shots, you make the tutorial feel hands-on, almost like the viewer is sitting beside you at the computer. This not only boosts clarity, but also keeps attention locked in because the visuals confirm what's being taught. Click open at the bottom of the screen after selecting your B-roll footage. Notice that all of your video and audio clips were stored in the media section. Now select video at the top, select the video, and it will appear on screen. This is where your viewers get a transformative, easy win by following your tutorial. Click set to background at the top of the screen. Perfect, this is shaping up nicely. Step 4, now that the script has been transcribed, it's time to add in some animated captions. Try to select a style that does not blend into the background or change the setting to achieve a high contrast to make the animation visually stand out. That looks really nice and very professional. To polish the video, considering add some sound effects like a keyboard typing or royalty-free background music. Finally, preview the video, then click on generate. Now your finished video can be uploaded to your YouTube or other social media channels. Let's recap. Over-the-shoulder videos are one of the fastest ways to build trust, rack up views, and trigger the YouTube algorithm. Why? Because when people see you walk through a process step by step on your screen, they get a quick, easy win. That's the kind of content viewers return to, rewatch, and binge. This style has allowed thousands of creators to achieve millions of views because it combines two things: the algorithm loves long watch time and high engagement. When viewers can follow along, take action, and see results in minutes, they stick with you, and that boosts your retention and pushes your video to more people. Make sure to click the link and grab the free custom prompts to design the perfect over-the-shoulder AI avatars. Also, you get free credits and discounts on both HeyGen or ElevenLabs platforms by clicking. Using my affiliate links, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you can continue to receive AI-related videos. In conclusion, over-the-shoulder videos are one of the fastest ways to build trust, rack up views, and get the YouTube algorithm on your side. And it works across some of the most popular categories on YouTube. Think about these viral content ideas: a beginner's guide to Excel formulas or a simple Canva tutorial, filing taxes with TurboTax, or walking someone through applying for a small business grant, designing a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, or repurposing a podcast into shorts, solving Python coding challenges, or showing how to read stock charts in TradingView, even planning travel with Google Flights or building a productivity board in Notion. These are just a few of the top performing over-the-shoulder video ideas, and they all share one thing in common: viewers walk away with a fast, tangible result. That's why they return to your channel, rewatch your content, and share it with others.